Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to link Dropbox account to Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Dropbox account to your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone. And after opening your Picsart app, guys, on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile or your person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface where at the top right corner you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when you land over here, again tap on the settings button over here just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and you land over here, guys, where you can see the social accounts button over here under the category of connected accounts. Tap on the social accounts button over here, and you can see there is the Facebook, Instagram, and the Dropbox logo. Now in order to link your Dropbox account to Picsart, tap on the Dropbox button over here, and then you'll be directed to the login panel of Dropbox account. So let's wait for it. And from over here, guys, you'll be required to either continue with Google, Apple in order to log into your Dropbox account. So enter your email address over here, whichever may it be with which you had created your Dropbox account. And after that, tap on the continue button, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your Dropbox account. And the moment you log into your Dropbox account from this panel, your Dropbox account and your Picsart account will be linked. And with that being said, guys, this is how to link Dropbox account to Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.